Do you like a video like this? Dark, lower light, smoother, and no jitteriness? Or do you like a video like this that is more brightness and it's got the jitteriness, the little blurriness, trying to do its best for you? Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining the show. I don't know what my camera says when I hit the remote start button. It comes up with a big prompt when I have everything all set up. Oh, it says enhance low light, enable 8-bit video recording. How do I enable 8-bit recording? Oh, I'm gonna have to stop, sit down, and think about this one. I got a prompt, like I said. It's not right, but I look a lot better, right? In order to enable low light enhancement, turn off 8-bit recording. I think it said something like that, and I have to really sit down and see what it actually says. Maybe I could get a picture of it, but you know how phones are, the contrast sucks. So basically, the color was normal, and I was very low, and now I'm not on normal color, and it just didn't make sense to me that I had to turn on 10-bit color. D-Log, that is. And yeah, now I gotta add color to the video, but you see me a lot brighter. I'm a happy camper, yeah. But why is it so dark over there? Skies are not looking great, but you get the idea. How you learn your camera, and when you read these prompts, they don't mean what they mean. And let me tell you this, I went out on a scooter ride, put my camera with the Pocket 2 by DJI. Oh man, my scooter's great. Oh, the Pocket's great. But somebody is fighting one another, and it's causing a wobble, a sky, like you're watching The Outer Limits. So if I want to get myself a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, it won't be for the scooter, because nobody has shown a scooter ride with the Pocket 3. Maybe you'll be the first one. Let's see if you got that wobble. Yeah, man. Sometimes it may look good, sometimes it don't. But that's not what I want. I want something. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as it works nicely. And sometimes things don't work nicely. Now I gotta go sit at home, play with coloring. Not what I like to do. But if I'm gray and dark and like this, and it's dark outside and I'm bright, I think I'll be happy. I don't have to add a lot of color. I don't have to add color at all. Nobody says you gotta color to get dark video. But why would I want to enable 8-bit recording? Isn't this 8-bit recording? It sure is. Look how colorful it is with the lights. You know, the things are black and white. You see it real nice. Color, you got a lot of things, man. It shows depth. But, man, I just don't know anymore. I'm turning around. turning that corner, and getting on out of here. Doesn't this look a lot better than enabling 8-bit recording? Or does this look better, where I disabled 8-bit recording? So I think they're all screwed up with those prompts. I'm going home. I'm going to tell DJI. I want to see what they say. DJI, this is color normal. DJI, this is color D-Log M. DJI, when I start the video on color normal, I get a prompt. When I start the camera in color D-Log M, I do not get a prompt. I switched it back to the way it's supposed to be, normal. And I guess if I want everything to look right, I gotta follow what DJI says. Oh man, time to get on out of here. Time to enjoy the day. I gotta take care of some business, and I gotta tell them all. Oh yeah, what fun it's gonna be.